Hi guys, today we're gonna write a script on Python in order to test if an integer number is prime or not. First of all, let's remind the definition. Prime numbers are natural numbers that are divisible by only one and the number itself. So let's look for instruction to put on Python's code. First step, let's define n as a variable that will be equal to the number to test. So we enter n equal int like integer, and we are demanding to Python to input enter the integer what would be greater than 1. Then we'll define another variable. D will return the number of divisors. Then let's enter our loop for e in range 1, 2, and plus 1. There's a condition. If n percentage e equal 0, the symbol percentage means the remainder of Euclidean division. Okay, then d received d plus 1. We increment d. If our number of divisors is greater than 2, if d is greater than 2, the number can't be prime. Print the integer is not prime. Else print the integer is prime. Let's try it with the number 18. The integer 18 isn't prime. We know that 18 have multiple dividers like 1, 2, 3, 6. Let's try with another number. 23. 23 is a prime because it has only two divisors that are 1 and 23. Let's try other number. 144. This number isn't prime. We know that 12 multiplied by 12 equals to 144. Let's try the number. 253 is not prime. Okay, thank you. That's all. See you later. Goodbye.